Okay, say you have your audio all laid out, your voiceover, your music. Now it's time to start putting clips on your timeline. Except you don't have any clips. You have one giant clip. It's one giant video that is just a compilation of other clips. Say it's maybe a string out like I have in this case, or it's a finished trailer or a finished movie, something that already has a bunch of cuts. And doing it the long way, opening it up in your source window, setting in and out points, dragging in pieces of clips, just takes way too long. Wouldn't it be great if we could just put a cut at all the cut points? We can. All you have to do is drag that one giant clip, in this case it's an 1.5 hour long clip, into the new item icon that creates a new sequence with just that clip on it. Then right click on the clip and go to Scene Edit Detection. After just a few minutes, all the edit points have been applied, and now I can pancake my timelines and drag clips from one onto the other. They're already cut up for me. How cool is that?